Trinity Lutheran Church about 20 years ago became really involved in, I'll use the phrase living the gospel, but reaching out to other people, seeing people that are hungry, and they've developed all kinds of programs. There's a soup kitchen here every Sunday, and for the last 15 years, never missed a Sunday for any reason whatsoever. And it is all you can eat. Many of the soup kitchens we work with, you get a plate and that's it. Here it's all you can eat because we've been very blessed with the food. We've done a lot of volunteering over the years at many of the ministries, homeless shelters, soup kitchens in the metro area. And they get their money from donations. They also get money, many of them do, from government grants to be able to do certain projects or help them feed people. So we looked for a third way to do funding. And we thought, what if we started a business? There was a nonprofit that the funds would go back to these ministries just to give them more money to be able to work with. And it started with that idea. It's been 14 years. Our first year was break even, but we always put away seed money for the next year. We never want to be in debt. And so over the years, slowly, the first year of giving money was $10,000, then 15. Last year, we've been around 14 years. We've had 12 years of giving. And last year, we gave $150,000. And that brings us up to a cumulative total of $750,000 in 12 years. And it goes to soup kitchens and homeless shelters, food banks, and free clinics, all in Michigan. Mostly in the Detroit metro area, but we do have other sites around the state. We moved to this area 23 years ago, and we heard of Meemic, and I don't remember how. And so anyway, we wound up working with a Gingrich agency. Dolly was, I don't know if she's an owner now or what, but anyway, I remember her name for all these years. I worked with her a couple of weeks ago when we sold our house. I appreciate they get back to you right away. Great customer service. So anyway, I thank you. They're doing a great job today. I deeply appreciate what they're doing. They're very careful. They're conscious of all the things that they need to be, and I appreciate that.